Welcome back to Torque Update, where we bring you the most gripping automotive releases. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor, Ford's most capable three-row off-road Explorer ever. It replaces the old Timberline while keeping daily usability intact, and even adds hard-earned hardware under the skin. The Explorer Tremor adds a welcome dose of adventure to Ford's family SUV. With its lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, and off-road tech, it feels ready for gravel, sand, and mountain trails, without acting like a rough truck when you're on the highway or school run. It's as capable off-road as it is comfortable on-road. Visually, the Tremor is unmistakable. Ford adds electric spice, orange accents across areas like the grille bar, tow hooks, and one-wheel spoke. Surrounding that are gloss black 18-inch wheels wrapped in 31-inch Bridgestone dual or all-terrain tires. Ford includes high-intensity LED trail lights integrated into grille and functional steel skid plates up front and rear. The body also sits 1 inch higher thanks to off-road suspension tweaks, improving approach and departure angles without turning into a full-on Raptor lookalike. Inside, the Tremor wears its tough side proudly, with orange-stitched Tremor logos stitched into seats, steering wheel, and dashboard trim. The upholstery is cleanable and durable, perfect for weekend dirt bike trips. The tech suite includes a 13.2-inch touchscreen with Ford's Google-based digital experience, along with Blue Cruise 1.5 hands-free driving and the Co-Pilot 360 Assist 2.0 safety bundle. Available high-end upgrades like a 14-speaker B&O audio system and massaging seats haven't been forgotten. Under the hood, the Tremor defaults to a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder that makes around 300 horsepower and 310 lb-ft. If you're looking for more grunt, you can opt for the mighty 3.0-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, delivering about 400 horsepower and 415 lb-ft, the same engine used in the Explorer ST and Ranger Raptor. The drivetrain includes a Torsen limited-slip rear differential, off-road tuned springs and sway bars, skid plates, and a 1-inch lift. These features enhance traction and clearance while keeping things comfortable on pavement. Ordering for the 2026 Explorer Tremor open in mid-2025, with deliveries expected by late 2025. Official pricing isn't confirmed yet, but it's positioned above the Timberline trim and below the high-end ST and Platinum models, likely starting in the low $40K range for base Tremor, with a V6 option adding around $4,000 to $5,000 depending on packages. It can tow up to 5,000 pounds regardless of engine, making it just as capable with a trailer or boat in tow. With the 2026 Explorer Tremor, Ford offers a three-row SUV that truly bridges a gap between everyday family utility and moderate off-road capability. It delivers real hardware, not just cosmetic cues, to help you into the wild, while keeping daily comfort, AWD reliability, and a familiar interior layout. It's a Raptor Lite for people who need 7 seats more than rock-crawling suspension. If this look at the Explorer Tremor fired you up, make sure to hit like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more rugged SUVs, performance picks, and first impressions. Drop a comment. Are you going for the 300 horsepower 2.3L or saving up for 400 horsepower V6? See you on the trail.